Okay, let's take a look at some of the big moves we're seeing on the TSX. Couple of minutes to the end of the trading day, and these energy services companies are flying high. Let's bring in Bloomberg's Stephanie Hughes for a look at some of the big names. Stephanie.
Absolutely, Amber. Happy Wednesday. So absolutely, Secure Energy Services, those shares moved up as much as 12% today, which not only put it on the top of the best performers list on the TSX, but it also brought the stock price to its highest level since 2015. So it's been a while since we saw shares really rip this high. And this is because the environmental and energy infrastructure developer said its full year adjusted EBITDA would hit the high end of its prior guidance. So that guidance in question ranges between 470 and 490 million. The upper end of that coming ahead of what analysts were expecting. The company made these remarks in the third quarter results, where revenue of about 2.6 billion is also beating analysts' expectations here. So these results are getting some thumbs up from the analyst community here. One from Raymond James pointing to the waste management segment really being the primary driver of the beat here. Also, BMO Capital Markets called the quarter another strong one for the company. So we're getting positive commentary from analysts, and it seems like traders agree. And that's being reflected in the share price movement here today. Another earnings story, we're seeing Precision Drilling. Those shares jumped up nearly 10%, and that's the biggest intraday gain since July. And this is another earnings story, like I mentioned. The oil field drilling company reported an adjusted EBITDA of over $142 million, which blew past what analysts were expecting. So BMO Capital Markets said that the company appears to be well positioned moving forward, given its dominant market share in Canada and improving shareholder returns. And I did catch a part of that interview you had with the CEO talking about the revenue and profit growth. So seems like it's a good showing for precision drilling here today, Amber.
All right, thank you very much. That is Stephanie Hughes reporting on the big moves.